I am Professor J. Paul Banga, Professor Emeritus at King's College London, one of the world's top 30 universities. I want to tell you my experience of the Panchakarma retreat organized by Sadhama, that is run by Dimitri and his wife Karen. So where do I start? My wife has been doing yoga with Dimitri for a number of years. She's never missed his class, and this is how I got introduced with Dimitri. Sadhama thereafter organized this retreat here, the Panchakarma retreat in Kerala, and because my wife was determined to come, I had to come with her, and I came here as an accompanying person with the view that I won't take part in any of the retreat, but I will just enjoy Kerala and the food. Well, to be honest, within one day I was converted and I was part of the Panchakarma retreat. Thereafter, I've been introduced to Ayurveda medicines, the Ayurveda treatments which I've been having. Over the past 18 months, I've had two full knee replacements, and one of my knee has been one of my knees goes through an inflammatory cycle every 7-8 days. And what I can say is that since I've had the Ayurveda treatment on the painful knee, it has completely improved. I'm like a spring lamb at the moment, and I can go up and down the stairs very easily. So as far as I'm concerned, I find the treatment has worked with me, and the massages that I've been having, the various oil massages, have completely revolutionized my skin. I feel very good. And it's just been fabulous living, staying in for 2 weeks in Dr. Raskar's Greens hospital and the retreat. The staff are fabulous, always with a smile on their face. The food is outstanding. You'll never regret the good food here. And the accommodation is good, and the atmosphere is just buzzing. It's electric all day long. I would urge you that if you want to detox, get de-stressed, and try to improve your health, just join Sadhama again when the next Panchakarma retreat is done in the next year or two, again at Greens Ayurveda. I promise you, you will never regret it. I certainly haven't regretted my experience, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be here in the next retreat and meet you all. I'm a scientist. The educational aspect was an eye-opener because what you'll be exposed to, it will be a variety of new names which I've never heard before. But in the lectures, you have to try to make sure that you know the new name of a medication, what it's being used for. And you will hear in the lectures how they're applied. You also have the opportunity to go to the pharmacy where these medications are made in-house in Greens Hospital. You'll also have the opportunity to make one of these medications. You'll be given a recipe, you'll be given an A4 sheet, and as a group you'll have the opportunity to make that medication. And the one that we made, again, it's a new name, I cannot tell you what the name is, but it's for respiratory medicine. The study here, you will be exposed to lectures of how some of these compounds are used for the treatments, and you will also see examples, and you will have the opportunity to participate in those treatments. So coming here to the Greens retreat, the Ayurveda, I am now fascinated how some of the Ayurveda medications work. They're all natural products, They're completely natural, but they do work because I've experienced this in my inflammatory knee.